What is the impact of CBDC in the overall economy in the coming years? Where do you see that today we have UPI, we have IMPS, we have a very broad fintech ecosystem, and specifically from India's perspective, we are one of the highest adopters of digital fintech. Today we have the DPI infrastructure, we have Aadhaar enabled ecosystem, we have so amazing public infrastructure ecosystem where like everything from your stocks, from your assets, everything is interconnected. So how do you think that this CBDC is going to be different from the UPI we have today, and how the DPI is going to be a big enabler for the CBDC ecosystem?
Coming to the first question that you asked, how it will impact. See, it was just transformational shift that has to happen anytime soon. It's like earlier we had only, 100 years ago we had only bicycles, motorcycles. Now we have cars, faster cars. In the way, this is also nothing wrong. People are not manipulating as everybody is thinking. This is nothing but just turning the real currency into e-currency rather than printing. For example, if you have to take 50,000 to Kolkata, some place that you don't know, some remote area, or 1 lakh rupees, you will fear about carrying the money. Now you will not have when it is e-currency, because currency is no more existent. Will not be any more in existence. Only thing that will be in existence is your money, but in your wallet, in your personal wallet. So exactly like carrying your purse, you will be carrying a personal wallet within your phone, which nobody else can access, even the banks, and you will just go and give somebody money or pay for your bills. So it should always come as a transformational shift, but we are very happy that India will be the first country to experience a wholesome transformation earlier than many other countries, many other developed countries.